I was just writing down top 10 things I wish they had taught me in school. Social media marketing agency is one of those. It's the next big thing. You might have seen my social media marketing agency program, the higher price version. I've decided to do something to open it up to basically anyone. I've created a small test group where you can get started today for just $1. Click the link below to get into my social media marketing agency program for just $1. When you have something to do, jump into it, and the next thing you know, it's halfway done. Next thing you know, you'll be halfway to your goal, or maybe you'll accomplish your goal. You want to do something that catches a new trend, but you don't want to be the absolute first pioneer. If you look at Mark Zuckerberg, he started something new, but it was built off a template that MySpace had. And I'll show you everything you need to know. It's online. You can do it on your phone or your laptop. So I'll teach you how to do it for them. Restaurants, doctors, dentists, they all need people who get them paying customers, and they don't know how to do it. Trust me, this is one of those things that they should have taught us in school. Click the link.